Welcome to Amchi's Flowers. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple cake. It's really very nice and easy to make without oven, without anything heater or something. We have to mix it in a mixer and we have to cook it, bake it in a cooker. I will show you how to make it. And these are the ingredients. 1 bowl all-purpose flour, that almost 1 bowl sugar powder, and 3/4 bowl oil, and 2 eggs, and this is the caramelized sugar water. I will tell you how to make it. And this is 3/4 spoon curd, and this is the vanilla essence, this is the baking powder, this is baking soda, and this is a must 1 elaichi, and this is cinnamon stick, only this much, and 1 loving, and this is star anise, only this piece. I will show you how to make it. First you have to mix powder, half spoon baking powder, and baking soda, and this is baking powder 1 spoon. And mix this well. And now we have to mix it like this. 2 times you have to do it. I am going to put 2 eggs in the mixer. We have to make it. I am going to make it using only mixer. So I am going to put the eggs in the mixer, and you have to grind it till it fluffy. Our mix is eggs are like fluffy. Now I am going to add all the ingredients like oil in the same mixer, oil, sugar powder, and I am going to do the mixer, grind it again. You have to mix it in a mixer again like this, like you did the eggs, na? Now our mix is like this. Now I am going to add curd in this. Curd. We have to add curd, otherwise we are adding baking soda, na? So we have to add curd, otherwise it will not do its work properly. Now I am going to add that cinnamon stick, that and all that powder. Now I am going to, our mixer is like this. Now I am going to add all these ingredients in a vessel where we are going to mix all these ingredients. I am going to add all the other ingredients. Now I am going to add that flour little by little, only little, not all, little only. You have to mix it slowly, not very hard. Slowly we have to mix it. See. This is the mixture. After that we are going to add that caramel sugar caramelized water you have to add in this, and vanilla essence also. Put on the gas, and I am going to add 3 spoon sugar. Then you have to make the flame slow. Don't make it very fast. It will take little time to put little water, 1 spoon water. Caramel is like this. Now I am going to add little water. Now our syrup is like this. You have to cool it before making the cake. This is enough. See. Now our mixture is like this. See, so fluffy, like this it should be. After that I am going to add that caramelized sugar syrup to get the color. If you want less color like brownish, you can decrease the caramelized water. You can add a little only. I like the black one, so I am putting all the water. You need according to your preference. You can pour the that water. I like it very black, so I am putting all. Otherwise you can put only little only. It's up to you. Now I am going to add vanilla essence, 1 spoon vanilla essence last. Now our mix is ready. Is so colorful. The consistency should be like this for this cake. I will show you how to prepare the oven dish. First you have to put little oil and do like this, little only little, otherwise it will burn. Only little, and you have to dust little powder like this. See, like this it should be. After that you have to pour this mixer in this. Only 3/4 you have to fill, otherwise it will split. Filling like this our mixer should be like this. It should be gap should be there. If you want, you can put cashew nuts and dry grapes and tutti frutti. I am not putting. First you tap this like this 2-3 times, air bubbles will go. After that you have to put it in the cooker or anything like that. I will show you how. That big, so I took a vessel like this and I put 2 slabs of tiles. You can put salt or anything like that, or you can put this type of bowl inside, and after you have to full gas should be full, heat should be coming. After heating the vessel, you have to put this like this and put it inside, and you have to cover it with a lid. If you are putting it in a cooker, you have to heat the cooker first, and after that you have to remove the vessel and put it like this. Now I am going to do like this. You have to keep the weight and you have to slow the flame, and after 40 minutes we should see how it is. Insert a toothpick or like this piece in this. If it is coming easily, then it's done. If it is sticking to the sides, it means it is not done. Now this is almost, it's done, nothing inside. Our cake is ready. Now I am going to keep it for almost 1 hour. After that I will show you how it is. This is our final cake. This is color is really very nice. I like this type of color, black, like black forest, na simple black forest. Only for decoration, to make good in the photo. You can skip this. I am going to take photo, so I decorated like this symbol decoration. Now if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. Now I am going to cut this and show you how soft it is. See, easily it is going inside, na? The knife is easily going. First one thing you have to make sure, after making the cake you have to cool it. After 10-12 hours you have to do like this, cut it. See, the cake is like this, so fluffy. See, it's really very tasty also.